Hello everyone! We are students from the Faculty of Agriculture, Sultan Abdul Pitayasa University, and today we are pleased to present our project entitled Utilizing Poultry Manure as an alternative nutrient source in fish pond fertilization.
Happy watching!
First, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Safira Moleka Putri with name 4444 62 518, and I'm from the Animal Science Department. And my friend,
My name is Novalda Farisi 444325185, and I am from the Fisheries Department.
My name Hanifa Satifadiana with name 444 62 547, and I am from the Animal Science Department.
And my name is Rangga Gilang Pangmukas with NIM 44462500127, and I'm from Animal Science Department.
good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our topic today. We are from the Faculty of Agriculture, and today we will discuss current issues entitled Utilizing Poultry Manure as an Alternative Nutrient Source in Fish Pond Fertilization. The issues we selected is closely related to both the livestock and fisheries sectors. Poultry farming is one of the fastest growing agricultural industries. However, it produces a large amount of manure every day. When this waste is not managed properly, it accumulates around the farm and causes environmental problems such as unpleasant odors, fly invasion, and water contamination. At the same time, fish farmers are facing another challenge. They need fertilizer to stimulate plankton growth in fish pond because plankton serves as natural food source for fish. Unfortunately, the price of chemical fertilizers continue to increase, making fish farming more expensive and reducing farmers' profit. This situation raises an important question: can poultry manure be transformed into a useful resource instead of becoming a waste problem? In this presentation, we will explain the cause of the problem, its impacts on society and agriculture, and a sustainable solution through the fermentation of poultry manure using M4 technology. Now, I would like to invite the second presenter to explain the problem analysis. Thank you.
The main problem is the increasing accumulation of poultry manure in livestock farm, and commercial poultry farm can produce hundreds of kilograms of manure every day. Without proper management, the waste is usually piled up in open spaces. As the manure decomposes naturally, it releases ammonia gas and other compounds that create strong odors. These odors often disturb nearby residents and may result in complaints or conflict between farmers and local communities. Another issue is the rapid breeding of fowls around manure piles. Fowls are considered a nuisance and may also carry disease causing microorganisms. Therefore, poor manure management can become both an environmental and public health concern. On the fishery side, fish farmers rely on fertilizer to maintain pond productivity. Fertilization is necessary because it promotes and growth of phytoplankton and zooplankton, which serve as natural food for fish and aquatic organisms. However, chemical fertilizers are becoming increasingly expensive. Many small-scale fish farmers struggle to afford these inputs. As a result, production costs rise and profitability decreases. Research has shown that organic fertilizer derived from livestock waste can enhance plankton production in aquaculture ponds. This suggests that poultry manure may be a valuable alternative if it is processed correctly before application. Therefore, the challenge is not the existence of poultry manure itself, but how to manage the utilize it effectively. Now I will hand over the presentation of the third presenter.
Thank you. The problem associated with unmanaged poultry manure have several significant impacts. First, there are environmental impacts. Large amount of the untreated manure can pollute soil and water cycles. Rainwater may wash nutrient and organic matter into rivers, pond, or groundwater system, reducing environmental quality. Second, there are social impacts. Communities living near poultry farms often complain about unpleasant odors and excessive fly population. These complaints can damage relationship between farmers and local residents. In some cases, farmers may even face legal or administrative issues because of environmental concerns. Third, there are economic impacts. Poultry farmers may spend additional money to control odors, flies, and waste accumulation. Meanwhile, fish farmers continue to spend a large portion of their budget on chemical fertilizer. As fertilizer prices increase, operational costs in aquaculture also increase. Higher production costs may reduce farmer income and limit business expansion. Furthermore, the failure utilize manure representation a lost opportunity instead of becoming a useful agricultural input. The water remains an environmental burden. These impacts highlight the importance of finding a practical and sustainable solution that benefit both livestock and fishery sector. Now, let us discuss the proposed solution.
Thank you. One promising solution is the implementation of an integrated waste management system through the fermentation of poultry manure using effective microorganism 4 or EM4. EM4 contains beneficial microorganisms that accelerate the decomposition process. During fermentation, harmful compounds and reduce. Odors become less intense and nutrients become more available for plant and plankton growth. The fermentation process is relatively simple and affordable. Poultry manure is mixed with EM4 and other supporting materials, then stored under controlled conditions for a certain period. After fermentation, the manure becomes a safer organic fertilizer. When applied to fish ponds, fermented poultry manure provides nutrients that stimulate the growth of phytoplankton and zooplankton. These organisms serve as natural food source for fish. reducing the need for expensive commercial feed and chemical fertilizer. The solution offers several advantages. First, it reduces waste accumulation in poultry farms. Second, it minimizes odor pollution and fly problems. Third, it lowers fertilizer costs for fish farmers. Fourth, it promotes environmentally friendly and sustainable aquaculture practice. Finally, it supports the concept of a circular agricultural economy where waste from one sector become a valuable resource for another sector. In solution, poultry manure should not be fed with a waste product. The proper fermentation using EM4, it can be transformed into effective organic fertilizer for fish ponds. This approach helps solve environmental problems, reduce production costs, and support sustainable agriculture and aquaculture development. Thank you for attention.